welcome back to my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we're gonna eat a cheeseburger. So guys, be ready, because you will see the ugliest burger in all time. Like, it's flat as naga, bro. What the hell? At least the cheese. What the? It kind of tastes like garbage. Okay, first bite. Guys, better than average. It's very good.
Sino kausap mo?
Video ako, mami. First bite. So guys, this is good. But of course you, the viewer, maybe you have tried a burger before. Even a cheap one. Or maybe from McDonald's or Jollibee! Jollibee! This is Jollibee. Best thing ever. It's Jollibee. This will be a long video. My mom. So guys, we just cleaned like just now. Me, like my mom. Here's it. It's very, very clean. This kind of will be my background. Huh? So guys, my mom. So guys, press F if you love moms. Not forcing, by the way.
Si Michael lang yun. Pogi. Ba't hindi napunta dito?
Hindi mo sila kasya, napakadaming. Pahingi ako ga. Ganun mo ako.
Ba't di nagpunta dito? Ano?
Gwapo lang, may Spider-Man pa.
Oo nga eh. Ginagawa mo yan?
Pero mo masarap.
May pickles?
Hindi ako masarap pa. Masarap, Jollibee ano?
The pickle is good. Carl? This,
Di pa rin mukha na pa ng malinis.
let's check if there's more. There's no more pickle. There's no more. There's no pickles.
Sino mas ako kayo maglinis? Siya o si Nana Minay?
Yan po siya. Ano ba tingin mo?
Siya.
Nililinis niya lahat yan.
Pero namimiss mo na si Nana Minay.
Parang nag-ano. Ano tagpad?
Tutupad. Tupad tayo.
Kakali pa tayo?
Kakapera pa tayo. Ngayon talaga tunay na hanap buhay.
If you are Tagalog,
Hindi mo naman alam na doon.
you will know what to
Nakita ko
say.
kanina si Ka Arman.
Ano sabi mo?
Wala, nakamotor lang. Nakakita rin kami kay Inay Nanaga.
Oo nga eh.
Inaayos na, pati daw mga IT doon sa ano?
Yeah.
Pinanong hinihingan?
Magkaka 9K daw siya. Yes.
Dalihan mo na, ay kadok ka na. May bili ako lang maliligo.
Bilisan mo kaya maligo. 7 lang.
Oo,
Nilabas.
sige nga. Oo, sige, ayan na ako. Promise. Ayan na, oh.
Fire. But better than Jollibee. Yeah. Jollibee is better. I'm from the Philippines, by the way. So hello Philippines viewers. And if you're another country, hindi. I feel kind of ready to poop. Bleh. Guys, help. I'm okay. But my yet it doesn't feel okay. So guys, look at this. Very cute. Mr. Penguin. Say hello. Mr. Penguin. And Mr. Elephant. Yeah. So guys, I'm not finished the burger, but this is a long video, so bye bye.